Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to download Amazon Prime Video on iPhone. Now, first things first, to download Amazon Prime Video on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and open your App Store in your iPhone. Now, however, I'm using Android. Yours interface for store is quite similar. So once you open your App Store, you should be able to find search button. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, then type in Prime Video. Now, once you type in Prime Video, you should be able to find this Prime Video official icon. Go ahead and tap on it, then tap on install button, and that is how you can download, and that is how you can get Prime Video on your iPhone. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.